Mom, stop using those harsh chemicals. Let me show you a better way.
Seeing my mom cough from those harsh chemicals broke my heart. I got her this portable steamer, 100% natural high-pressure steam, no toxic fumes, zero scrubbing. It literally melts grease away in seconds. She's worked hard enough. Protect her health and grab one below before they sell out.
So if it's still in stock, I'll try to put the link below for you.